panels depend on the direct energy of the sun to produce power. In many installations, environmental factors can partially shade panels, which dramatically impacts the amount of energy produced. But all solar panels are not the same. SunPower panels are built with SunPower Maxeon solar cells, and although they look similar, they are fundamentally different from the cells used in conventional panels. SunPower cells are constructed on a solid copper foundation, allowing them to handle more power, as well as making them practically immune to the cracking and corrosion that causes standard solar cells to steadily lose power over time. SunPower Maxeon solar cells also perform differently when they are shaded. Diode protection is built into each cell, allowing electricity to pass through even in shaded situations. When a conventional panel is shaded, it does not allow electricity to pass. Even if there is only one cell being shaded, the panel loses a third of its energy output. An independent test lab compared the energy output of SunPower panels and conventional panels under real-world shading conditions. 4 identical systems were set up, each with 2 vent pipes, a tree, and 4 leaves casting shadows on the panels. As the sun moves through the sky, shadows sweep across the solar panels, and the energy generated by each system is measured throughout the day. The total energy produced is compared against the energy generated by the same system without shade to determine the impact of the shading. Even with no shading present, the 4 systems tested showed wide variation in the amount of energy generated. The conventional 14.5% panels produced 8.3 kilowatt hours. That's enough energy to power the average household for about 8 hours. The SunPower 20.4% efficiency panels produced 11.2 kilowatt hours of energy, and the new SunPower X21 panels at 21% efficiency generated 12.1 kilowatt hours of energy, enough to power the average home for about 12 hours. Under shaded conditions, the energy production of conventional panels dropped dramatically to 71% of their unshaded capacity. Under these test conditions, microinverters made very little difference in avoiding the dramatic reduction due to shading. Because of their unique design, the SunPower panels performed much better, with the E20 panel producing 86% and the X21 producing 92% when compared to their unshaded energy production. These independent tests confirm that SunPower panels produce the most energy, even in challenging real-world conditions. SunPower Maxeon technology ensures that you will have years of worry-free, low-cost energy production. SunPower, more energy,